Okay, here's another piece that's so much bigger than I am. It's a 1885 Merrill French portable steam engine. Ah, I like that, huh? Okay, the original engine manufactured in France was presented to Henry IV by Merrill CA in 1928 for the Edison Institute Museum. Ford was created in tribute of Thomas Edison at Dearborn, Michigan. Unlike most portable engines, the Merrill boiler is jacketed in brass and is on a double T design. Wow. So this one here is on loan, but it's a 1885 Merrill French portable steam engine. Look at this. Look at the wheels even. This is when they didn't have the rubber on the wheels, but it was all just metal. Remember how we've seen on some of my other videos the tractors like that, you know? So, but boy, look at that. Look at that. Open that right up there. Put straight up. Look at that. There's some other little components over there. You know, the wheel. Take a good look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Let me zoom in on this. You might like that. Some of you are really into all the steam engine stuff. I do this just for you guys now. You better appreciate it, right? Leave me a comment saying you appreciate that I zoom in on this stuff now. I'm just a woman, and a little old one at that. But I do know that the guys like to really pay attention to all the details of engines and all that good stuff. That's why when I go to antique car shows and everything, I like to show you the engines. Even though I'm not educated in that area whatsoever. I'm not afraid to say it either. Okay, guys. Just having some fun with you. Alright. Isn't this nice? Look at that. That's a beauty. Look at these wheels alone, how big they are. Whoa. Look at the brass. Wow. Polish it up. This is nice.